CubeWP is an all-in-one dynamic content framework for WordPress to help you build advanced websites or web apps super fast and easy.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am come back again with a new apps module review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for web builder tools. Within these tools you can build a stunning website with a user-friendly front end, dynamic from builder and layout manager. This tools is CubeWP tools. Basically these tools quickly launch advanced website using a code-free dynamic site builder for WordPress. Firstly, I want to say what is CubeWP tools. CubeWP is a dynamic content framework for WordPress that help you build advanced and website without any coding. This price is $49. If you want to get discount CubeWP tools, you will buy CubeWP tools to give my link. In that case, you can get 10% discount. I will give CubeWP tools buying link in the description box below. Okay, if you are a developer, freelancer and web design agency, this tools best for you. This tools is amazing tools to have so many topic in one tools. Using these tools you can create dynamic data structure from your WordPress website using custom post types and choose from over 25 custom field types like galleries, repeatable fields and geolocation and structure content around your unique need. CubeWP let you create and modify, manage dynamic layout and fonts, giving you total control over your content. Now I will show you how to use CubeWP tools. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
CubeWP is an all-in-one dynamic content framework for WordPress to help you build advanced websites or web apps super fast and easy. It offers more flexibility by removing the dependency on any specific page builder or theme. Last but not the least, it provides seamless integration of custom fields into block editors using shortcodes. Along with shortcodes, you can use page builder elements and WP blocks. CubeWP framework can be downloaded from WordPress.org, and there are many other premium add-ons available on our website. Next, we're going to take a look at creating dynamic data structure for your website or web app. When you do a fresh WordPress installation, primarily you get two post types, blog posts and pages for your website. With custom post type, you can create different content types, and CubeWP framework gives you a lot of option settings when you're creating a custom post type. Next, we're going to take a look at custom taxonomies. You can create custom taxonomies such as locations and categories for that specific post type, and then you can assign it to multiple post types. Next, we're going to take a look at creating custom fields for custom post type, custom taxonomies, and custom fields for user roles. Here we have a few different custom field groups that were created, such as residential properties. And here are a few different custom fields that were added for this particular custom field group. And you can see we have over 25 custom fields available to choose from, even such as a gallery field, repeatable fields, Google address field, and so on. You can drag and drop custom fields based on the order you want. You can easily clone previously created custom fields. Use repeatable fields to create frequently asked questions. You can make custom field groups conditional with taxonomies as well. When adding a new post, you can see all the custom fields are available as a data points, and these are the same ones that will be available for search form and other form builders that we're going to look at next. So now let's take a look at our drag and drop search form builder. You can create a form for any post type. You can select any post type from the drop down and create a custom form for each post type. So basically, all you have to do is select a post type and then drag and drop a taxonomy or custom fields from the right-hand side. And then you can drag and drop any field and even adjust the size of these fields so they can be in a single row. Then you can even change the form settings and the style using the CSS class. Once you save it, you get a shortcode, and you can drop this shortcode on any page and it will show up. It's that simple. And there you go. Here's an example of the search form. And then similarly, you can do the same for the search filter. You can select the post type, drag and drop the fields, and then you will have your filter ready to be displayed on front end without having to code any of this. Next, we're going to take a look at our user registration form builder, and all you have to do is select the user role and drag and drop all the fields. Next, we have our user profile form builder where you can create different sections and drag and drop different fields. And also next, we're going to take a look at our post type form builder for front-end form submission. And here you can drag and drop and create different sections and create a short code and drop it on any page, and you have your front-end submission form ready to accept all the data for your website. You can also use our form settings to further change the style, and there are a few different options for UI display for individual fields. Next, we're going to take a look at a claims feature for different post types. You can select even free or paid claim for your posts, as well as we have a reviews and rating system where you can assign different reviews and rating to different post types. And there is even multi-criteria ratings where you can have different options or criteria for ratings such as service or quality and so on. And here's an example. You can see this is a service and quality ratings, and you can save and see the changes on the front end instantly. Now we're going to take a look at one of the most powerful features of CubeWP framework, which is the single post layout template editor. Here it will give you control to customize your single post layout template, and you can choose to drag and drop content to the main body or the sidebar. You can do this for different post types and enter these sections and drag and drop all the available taxonomies or custom fields.
Here you can see CubeWP tools price and sales overview. It is a 5-star rating and so far 3 people review. Usually you can check whether a tools is good or bad. Some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is, and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. CubeWP tools have been launched on AppSumo only 3 days ago. Within 3 days, these tools have gotten 3 people review and everyone is giving 5-star review. So I think these tools must be good for you. And this price is very cheap, only $49, and you have to pay it once. After that you can use these tools for the rest of your life. Okay, buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. There are 3 plans available: license tier 1, license tier 2, license tier 3. When you purchase license tier 1, then you are getting 5 website license. Okay, if you need more website license, then you can purchase license tier 2 or 3. License tier 2, then you are getting 25 website license. This price is $99. License tier 3, then you are getting 150 website license. This price is $249. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy these tools. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. AppSumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. Using these tools, you can create user registration and profile from different user roles like administrator, editor, and contributor. And you can use Elementor dynamic tag to create single post template even with Elementor free. And there are also shortcode available to set up SE page template. Plan in future. The most important things, when you purchase CubeWP tools from AppSumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy CubeWP tools from AppSumo. Okay, first condition is lifetime access to CubeWP tools. When you purchase CubeWP tools from AppSumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future agency plan update. That means these tools are updated every few days. When these tools are updated, as soon as you will get access to these tools. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 4 license tier. Okay, there are 4 plans available. After buying a plan, you want to change your plan, upgrade or downgrade, you can do it easily. 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools, within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. Lastly, I want to say CubeWP is packed with features to help you build advanced customizable WordPress site in record time, all without any coding. You want to know more about these tools? You can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.